Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back in another video. Today we are gonna discuss about a very serious issue in our society, country, due to which many issues occur. We are gonna discuss about fake news. That what is fake news, why people spread fake news, and what is the intention of spreading wrong news. So let's start our debate. First of all, I will tell you that what is fake news. The term that has come to mean different things to different people. At its core, we are defining fake news as those news stories that are false. The story itself is fabricated, with no verifiable facts, sources, or quotes. Sometimes these stories may be propaganda that is intentionally designed to mislead the reader. In recent years, fake news stories are being shared through social media, in a part because they are easily and quickly shared online. Fake news exists with a large ecosystem of mis- and disinformation. Misinformation is a false news or inaccurate information that is mistakenly created or spread. The intent is not to deceive. Disinformation is false information that is deliberately created and spread in order to influence public opinion or obscure the truth. We will discuss the ways in which we can protect ourselves and others for spreading fake news. By thinking critically, using strategies on these pages to evaluate the likely accuracy of information. By thinking twice, if you have any doubt about the information, do not share the information here. If you are new here, then please show your support and don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Inshallah, we will meet in another video. Till then, take care and Allah Hafiz.
अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर नए हैं तो वीडियो देखने से पहले आप GB ट्रू न्यूज़ HD चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन पर ज़रूर क्लिक करें ताकि हमारी आने वाली तमाम वीडियोज़ आप तक बर वक्त पहुंच सकें।